beautiful and nice. All right. So now we're gonna give you a recipe which you would never forget. All right, guys. This is garlic and orange juice. All right, orange. All right. So this recipe is gonna be a fantastic recipe. All right. So basically, we have 3 cloves of garlic right here, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my blender like this. We have a medium-sized orange, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the skin from the orange. All right. This is for detoxing your body, and this can help you to lose weight also. If you drink this like before bedtime, it's even better. Now cut up your orange into some pieces and put it straight inside of your blender. All right, lovely. And then what you're gonna do is you can just put a tiny little bit of water inside of it just to free up the blender, but you don't need any water, you know what I mean? But it all depends upon the kind of blender you have. Just a tiny bit of water. And then you're just gonna blend it and the garlic together. Lovely. Once you do that, get your strainer. All right, guys, it's very important recipe I'm giving you, something which can help you to lose weight and detox your body. Lovely. So basically, put it straight in your strainer. Once you do that, get your lemon, pour it in your glass. Lovely. Get your lemon, squeeze some lime juice in it, or your lime, whatever you have using. And there's a pinch of organic honey. Taste it. Perfect. There's a secret behind it, but I can't tell you guys on the YouTube channel. You know what I mean? I will write it in the description box. Nice. So basically, it's a recipe which you can drink before you go to your bed. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people doesn't want to drink it in the morning, because they're gonna say, you know what I mean, then breath gonna be smell of garlic. But it's a very healthy detoxing drink and also weight loss. Very good for cold and flu. It's like an antibiotic, good for you. You know what I mean? This is just natural ingredients right here, nothing artificial. So I want you guys to enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Garlic and orange juice for weight loss and detoxing your body.